In today's video, we're going to explore 3 of Omaha's speakeasy bars. Now, be sure to watch to the end because I have a special treat for you from a special guest from another YouTube channel. So it's going to be a little bit different, and we're going to have a little bit of fun, and we're going to get started right now. My name is David Matney with Nebraska Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Omaha, Nebraska. Now let's jump into today's topic. Now, the speakeasy had its roots in the 1920s in the era of Prohibition. Now, when the 18th Amendment was passed, it outlawed the production, sale, and distribution of alcoholic beverages. Now, one of the unintended consequences of Prohibition was the rise of the speakeasy. Now, a speakeasy is an illegal bar that if anyone knew of the existence of such a bar, they were to speak easy or stay quiet about its existence. All right, now the speakeasy was typically located in the attic or at the back of a legitimate business like a cafe, a soda shop, or a flower shop. They had a secret entrance, and it took a special code word to enter. And then once inside the speakeasy, they used other code words to order drinks. And the word cocktail was a code word, and things such as soda, fruits and juices were added to the drinks to make the alcohol a little more palatable. Okay, today Omaha is known as a great place to raise a family, and many people may not be aware of our history. Back in the day, Omaha was a place that was controlled by the mob. It was a place of prostitution, gambling, and bootleg liquor. Now, the speakeasy is kind of a throwback to those early days. The first speakeasy on the list is the Sungretto, which is located in the Blackstone district at 3910 Farnham Street. It's actually located in the alley behind Farnham Street, and it's open Wednesday through Sunday, and there's no sign or anything. If you see a candle in the door, that means it's open. And then once you open the door, it looks like you're entering like a storage room. Then you open this other handle, and that takes you into the actual bar. And it's just a really super cool place, but that's located in the Blackstone district. Okay, the second speakeasy is Howard and Fine, which is located at 1011 Capitol in the Capitol District in downtown Omaha. Now, the speakeasy is actually inside of Moe and Curly's Pub and Grill. There's a wooden door at the back of Moe and Curly's, which will give you access to Howard and Fine. And then while I was at Howard and Fine, I had the opportunity to meet Deion of the Cocktail Couch, and he's going to take the time to make us a cocktail. So it's called a Smoky Old Fashioned, and let's check it out.
Hello folks, on David's channel. My name is Deion. I'm from the Cocktail Couch. And today I'm going to be making a Smoky Old Fashioned. So we're going to start out by smoking our glass. And while we got that smoking, I'm going to go ahead and get my bourbon ready. We're going to do some bitters. And then last but not least, we're going to do a little Demerara. Perfect. Add a little ice to this guy. Go ahead and turn our smoke off because it is ready to go. And give us a stir. And while we're stirring this, we're going to go ahead and release some of that beautiful smelling smoke. Add some ice to our glass. Now, because we're using bourbon, I generally like to use orange with bourbon. And it's kind of my rule of thumb. I use orange with bourbon, and I use lemon with rye old fashions. So the last but not least, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna manicure our orange. Gotta make everything look beautiful. Now that we've got our orange manicured, we're gonna put it on our glass and serve up our old fashioned. So it's gonna have a nice aromatic along with the wonderful, slightly sweet orange flavor with hints of cinnamon and cardamom. And there you have it.
Third speakeasy is one that I've mentioned in an earlier video on the things to do in Omaha. Now, if you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a card above. You want to check that out. It's the top 10 things to do in Omaha. It's a place called the Wicked Rabbit, which is near the old market at 1508 Harney Street. The Wicked Rabbit is right next door to the Hotel Deco, and it's across the street from the Orpheum Theater. If you've never been to the Orpheum Theater, you want to make sure you check that out. It's a historic theater from the 1920s, and it's just simply beautiful on the inside. And they have Broadway shows that come into town and play at the Orpheum Theater. So if you're want to check that out, and then after you view a show, then you can pop over to the Wicked Rabbit, and it's just a really neat place. What I like about the Wicked Rabbit is that you enter the bar through a trap door, like a bookshelf in the front door. It's a trap door. It's really cool. You want to check that out. And if you're interested in learning more about Omaha, hey, you want to make sure you check out this video here. And hey, don't forget, show some love for the channel. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications, and you make it a great day.